if you want to delete anything on Mac Airbook and you're not able to do that from outside, so the thing is this: you need to go to on the finder file, edit, view, ये go का button है, you have to go into that and you have to go into the applications. That is a shortcut also. You have to go into the applications, and here you can see all the applications, right? So if you don't want anything unnecessarily applications in your laptop, you can delete them. So for giving you an example, I'm going to delete this snap bridge so you can understand how to delete the applications. I'll select the snap bridge from here and ऊपर जाके file में जाना है and move to bin. ये password मांगेगा आपसे sometime. You have to enter the password and it is deleted. So this is easy task, but sometime it give us a lot of problem. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.